Have you ever stood under the vast night sky, gazing up in awe at the shimmering curtains of green and purple light? These mesmerizing lights, known as the Aurora Borealis in the north and the Aurora Australis in the south, are not just a feast for the eyes, but a spectacular display of Earth's protective prowess. The story begins with the Sun, the heart of our solar system. This blazing star is more than just a light source, it's a hive of nuclear activity. At times, this activity peaks, releasing what scientists call solar flares. Imagine the energy of a billion hydrogen bombs being unleashed into space. These flares are powerful bursts of radiation that, if Earth was unprotected, could spell disaster for the planet. Solar flares, the sudden eruptions of energy from the sun, hurl massive amounts of charged particles across the solar system. These particles travel on the solar wind, a stream of charged particles that flows outward from the sun. When they reach Earth, something incredible happens. Earth's magnetic field, an invisible shield that envelops our planet, intercepts these charged particles. This invisible shield, generated by the swirling liquid iron in Earth's core, extends far into space and serves as a protective barrier. This magnetic field is not just a scientific phenomenon. It holds a deeper significance. The Holy Quran mentions in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse 32, وَجَعَلْنَا السَّمَاءَ سَقْفًا مَحْفُوظًا وَهُمْ عَنْ آيَاتِهَا مُعْرِضُونَ. We made the sky a preserved and protective roof, yet still they turn away from our signs. This verse subtly points to the protective layer of Earth's atmosphere, which includes the magnetic field acting as a safeguard against solar and cosmic threats. When these charged particles from the sun crash into this magnetic field, a fascinating thing happens. They are funneled towards the poles, colliding with the gases in our atmosphere. It's these collisions that create the stunning light show we call the aurora. Oxygen gives off green and red light, while nitrogen dazzles with blue and purple hues. Each burst of light is a visual testament to the magnetic field at work, a natural defense mechanism that not only shields us from solar radiation but turns a potential threat into a breathtaking spectacle. So, the next time you witness the auroras, consider this. What you're seeing is not just an otherworldly artwork. It is a shield in action, a spectacular phenomena that decorates the sky while safeguarding all life beneath it. It is a profound connection between solar flares, Earth's magnetic field, and spiritual insights from the Holy Quran. It stands as a beautiful reminder of the protective embrace of our planet, safeguarded by its magnetic field, created by the best of creators, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.